Well, hello everyone. It has been a hot minute since I've done a video and I'm super excited to do another one. I really appreciate if you follow me on Instagram, all the kind comments and advice of what you do when you're in a funk, and I figure the best thing to do is just force myself to do it. And then I will love it because I know I do love it, and then I'll want to continue doing it. So I am just gonna film some videos today. That's the first step. I will admit I have filmed some videos in the past, not recently, but like a month ago, and then just never edited them or posted them. So maybe if I find them, if I have them somewhere on my phone, I could edit them and post them as well so you can see what I was doing a month ago. So today is Saturday the 25th. Oh, it's my friend's birthday today. But I just barely filled out my planner for last week, so I haven't even planned this week yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to decorate it, and then in a separate video, I'm gonna fill it out and do an after the pin video. Figured it would be a good time to do it. So just take the pages off the discs and then set this aside. And then I am using a kit from Paper Focus Company, or Paper Focus Co. So with this, you get 6 pages, and I think this kit is like $12, and then you can use my 15% off. But you can see I've already used it, but it normally comes with like a weekend sticker, plenty of like fun stickers, banners, and then it has these full boxes, half boxes, lists, more lists, a Monday through Sunday little list thing. These were date covers. I guess I could find the week where I used it and show you. I think it was in July. And if you don't follow me already on Instagram, you should, because I'm gonna revamp my Instagram. Here's where I used it. And I'm gonna start doing monthly flip throughs and post them on like my highlight reel. I'm gonna definitely be posting a lot more on my story of just how I'm getting out of my funk and planning again. And I'll be posting before the pins, after the pins, and all kinds of fun pictures. So if you don't already follow me, it's Crafting a Plan on Instagram. So you should follow me over there. So anyway, this is when I used it. So that's where these were. And I'm trying to think, so this is for the Happy Planner. You can pick like an EC vertical, a Happy Planner vertical, or an EC horizontal. So I picked the Happy Planner vertical, even though I have a horizontal, but sometimes I'll pick the EC horizontal and it works just fine. So then they have like the date numbers, plenty more boxes here, some flags, and then some like headers and little washi there. So there's where the stickers went that are missing. I really do like putting my weather in there, so I'm going to try and leave a little section for weather. And then I like doing lists, and then just having room to write like what I did. I'm not, if you follow me on Instagram and have seen my after the pins, I'm not so much of like, this is what I need to get done today, because I don't know, I just am not like that. But I love to write what I did. Oh, I went out to dinner with my sister. Oh, I went and saw a movie. Oh, I did nothing. I started reading a book. I finished reading a book. Like writing those kind of things is what I really like using my planner for. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I know I wanna cover this up and probably this since it doesn't really match. So I'm gonna use some of these. Okay, and then I think what I'm gonna do is use some letter stickers and put weekend across there. So I have this Happy Memory Keeping Dates and Holidays book that has letters in it. It has these gold ones. I think I'll use those. Perfect, I like that. So I was able to cover up what I didn't want, and then this yellow down the middle like matches it perfectly, and then I feel like even though there's not green in the stickers, the green also matches it really well. So I'm really excited about that. And then I have this little banner that I can drape across there. And I love it. Okay, and then what I normally do for the rest of it, like I was mentioning, I like to do lists. So I normally put a longer list on Saturday because that's when I do like my cleaning and errands, stuff that I don't always get done during the week. Oh, I don't feel like that's as much room on the side. And the other thing, as you've noticed, with these stickers is they are matte removable. So they do have an option to not get the matte removable, but since I, as you can see, move my stickers around a lot, I normally get the matte removable. So then I like to use these smaller ones during the week when I just do like a few things after work. So I normally put one on Monday just because, I don't know, I always feel like I end up having to do something on Monday. And then put them on during the week because I don't normally have a list of things to do on Friday necessarily. That's just my night to relax. So I'm gonna put those down and then just kind of see what else there is. There's a laundry day, date night, cheat day, binge watch, and then like a little napping one. And this little raccoon guy is like their little mascot. So I think what I like to do is use some of these and I'll just write whatever on them, but I'm realizing that I'm doing a week that just happened, so I can be smart about where I'm putting these. I'm gonna put this one on Sunday. Trying to think of what I did this week. Sorry too, I just realized I don't have my watch on, so you're seeing my great tan line there. Let's see. I'll just put this right here. I also really love these little flags that come with them, and I like to just layer one sometimes on the corner here. That's the opposite color of the actual, and then sometimes I'll turn them on the side. Just kind of do whatever. Okay, then I've been using these kits and it makes me use a lot less stickers, but I don't have a ton to write necessarily. So I want to use something. Maybe this other piece of, I don't know, is this washi or not? I mean, it's technically not because it's washi is like the paper tape. I also don't know where my eye slice is. I was trying to find it before I started filming this video, which is very depressing. I'm sure it's somewhere. So just do that to kind of add some color, more color to the page. didn't really do anything last night, but I did. Maybe I'll do this. Then, also from Paper Focus Co., I love these little TV stickers. I love these little TVs, so I've been watching Big Brother. So on this one, it has a bigger one and a smaller one. Sorry, my dog's freaking out in the background. A motorcycle just went by, and how dare they. And then Sunday is also Big Brother and Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Yep, I am one of those people that loves just reality TV. Perfect. I think that is going to be it. So as I mentioned, I'm going to do an after the pin video as well. So stay tuned. I'm not sure when I'll post it. I'm not sure if I'll just post a bunch at once or use these for a while, but I think I am going to try and get back on a schedule of posting videos Monday or Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But we'll see. So anyway, here you go. That's what it is before the pin. Check out my next video. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will be around more, and I'm excited to see you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.